In this video, I'm going to show you how to code with Visual Studio Code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first step is to go ahead and make sure to download and install Visual Studio Code. You can get it from here, code.visualstudio.com. It is free to download and install, so go ahead and get download for Windows and just follow the prompts. Then from there, go ahead and open up Visual Studio Code for the first time. Now, what I suggest doing for the first time, click onto a file in the top left-hand corner and then click onto open folder. And then go ahead and create a new folder and open that up. I'm just going to go ahead and click on right click on new folder. And now I'm just going to call this test folder. And now I want to select that folder. And now I'm going to be working inside of this folder. Now go ahead and create your first coding file. So in the Explorer panel on the left, right click and click on new file. And then I'm just going to call this index.html. So right click and index.html and then press enter. And then add your first HTML code inside of here. So I'm going to use this string of code. So I'm basically making a quick website. And then from here, you want to make sure to save your code. Now to view the website, I'm going to right click it on index.html and click on Reveal in File Explorer. And now if I double click the index, here it is here, my first website. Hello Visual Studio Code. I created my first website using VS Code. Click me. Now if I want to go ahead and make changes to this, I can. So I'm going to come back to Visual Studio Code. Now we can change the text here, the header one, so I can change that. I can change the description and also the button. Instead of click me, I can edit that as well. Now once you make any changes, go ahead and click on Control S to save your changes. Now we can install a lot of different extensions. So to make coding easier, click the extensions icon on the left hand side. So here it is here. And now from here, I like to use this extension called a live server. Now what this is going to do, I can right click my HTML file and select open with live server. So your website will automatically refresh when you make changes. So I'm going to go ahead and install this. So I'm going to trust and install. So basically here in the description, if you want to try a live server, it enables live changes without saving file. Now while that's installing, let's go back and see what this code means here. So the H1, this creates a large heading. The P creates a paragraph and the button is going to create a clickable button. Now this is a very straightforward, quick demonstration of how to use Visual Studio Code for beginners.